guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreations video. Back in the shed, back home, got Monty back on the ground. Monty travelled well on the trailer, way too far to be driving the old Torana. Maybe if I had the SuperCharger it'd be good, but it was a good trip, nearly 12 hours to get home. Up there, when we got up there, it rained. Thunderstorm, absolutely brilliant. Set the scene for some really nice photos, which I'll put in this video. Met the family, did a good meet and greet, and talked about the car and its history, which was really good because we didn't get to do that when I originally bought it. Saw some great cars in the parade. We were the lead car, first cab off the rank, and got a really good wrap, some good PA audio as the students got delivered to their graduation night ceremonies. Put some good stuff in this video. There's some great cars to see, so have a watch. So here we are, the big road trip. We've made it to Monto in Queensland, the birthplace or home of Monty, my Atlantis Blue UC Torana. She's going to be very welcomed in the town, very well known car, and it's going to be great to show her off for the formal of the previous owners.
Evans used to own this car, and it's come all the way from New South Wales just for Gemma. And there's Kurt in the passenger seat right now. Gemma is going to be popping out here with Holden, I believe. Holden's off. Gemma and Holden. They're rolling in style. So far the farmers and the Phillips family want to make their way together. Let's give them a very special welcome. I'm going to say it's a Chevy coming in here. And this is Brooke. And possibly Dylan. Well done, Tane. Welcome, Brioni and well done, guys. I'll tell you what, everyone is looking. Stylish. I'm going to pull up in a video. You can ride. protect your hair. Get under that bowl and get some pictures. Don't know the contingency plan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 arrivals still to come. People maybe move over before. We'll make this our last arrival and then we'll direct people towards the hall, I think. This one's going to head that way. It is Miguel and Alex Holden, so bear with us.